My name is Eric Stein, and we're chatting today because I'm incorporating a few more vegetables and plant-based diet components into what we eat at home.
Why did you want to make that transition?
Just wanting to be a little more environmentally conscious and think about the footprint that we have as a growing family.
Tell me about like a typical day, a menu for you. Like what you get up, you eat what?
Granola, fruit, and yogurt. We stick away from meat at breakfast time, which was pretty easy to cut out.
Sure.
Still have eggs from time to time. It's like we did it in increments, so we said, okay, no meat for breakfast. Instead of having chicken that day, we're gonna have fish. One day a week, we'll have an all vegetable day. Far more easy to do than trying to switch 100% from eating a whole bunch of meat into doing nothing. Get excited about trying to cook, because the better you can cook and the more recipes you know, the easier it is. We have 3 toddlers. Getting them to eat anything is hard enough as it is, so you got to be a little more creative.
And how are you feeling health-wise?
Certainly felt good even in the days where we're eating only veg and no meat.
So that's something you'll continue for sure.
Yeah,
Amazing.
definitely.